To activate contracts for difference or CFD trading in eToro, the first step is to log in to your eToro account. If you do not have an account, you will need to create one by following the registration process on the eToro website. Once logged in, navigate to the main trading interface. Next, click on the Trade Markets section to view various assets you can trade. This is where you'll find stocks, cryptocurrencies, currencies, and commodities. To ensure you can trade CFDs, look for the option that says Trade next to the desired asset. Make sure that the asset you choose supports CFD trading. Once you select an asset, click on it to open the trading window. Here, you will find options to set your investment amount, leverage, and other trade parameters. To activate CFD trading, toggle the switch that allows you to use leverage. Ensure you understand the risks associated with leverage before proceeding, as it can amplify both gains and losses. Finally, after adjusting your settings, click the Open Trade button to execute your CFD trade. You can monitor your position in the Portfolio section of your account. Remember to keep an eye on market trends and manage your risk accordingly as you engage with CFD trading on eToro.